A very good day to all traders. My name is Rain, founder of Forex Trader Academy Private Limited. So once again, I'd like to thank all subscribers for watching all the videos, and I believe you have benefit from the videos in many different forms. Of course, gentle reminder for all trade ideas itself, you should do your own analysis before you engage the trade. So today, I've decided not just posting today's trade ideas to you, but also opening up for today's session for the public to have a look of what we are doing as well. And of course, for today's trade ideas itself, we are looking at the currency pair, pound yen. So let's dive right in, shall we? Alright, for pound yen itself, this is on the daily chart, and more often when people see a movement like this, market consolidate, they will just skip and they'll go for other time frame and stuff like that. So if you are guilty of that, don't worry. You can make it as today as a day for you to change this habit and really run down to all the time frame to analyze. Because if you go down to 4-hour chart, what do you see? So to some of you, perhaps it's just still another chunk of movement that is not confirmed and stuff like that. But for me, it is a pretty obvious downtrend movement. Alright. So as you can see, it's downtrend channel movement very nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at this point, actually, is one opportunity to short. Okay, this is the second opportunity. So that is the trade ideas for today. Look at how nicely the candles are being formed up at this level. But of course, if you are using a different brokerage than myself, then perhaps your 4-hour chart might be a bit different. 4-hour is one of the time frame that different traders may analyze differently due to the different brokerage opening hours, and often not people will ask, what should I do then? My take is just analyze based on your currency chart. Whatever you see, you just analyze that. That's thus far the most important. And of course, if you're not comfortable, you can just skip 4-hour time frame if you like to. But personally, I do see that 4 hours is a very important time frame. Alright, so let us go down to 1-hour chart itself. What we can see over here is that market break above and close above, then after that it came back down. So of course my analysis is done by 4-hour chart for these for today's trade ideas, and definitely in a lower time frame this is not my concern at all, because on 4-hour chart it did not break above and close above that. Okay, so what is my trade plan? I start to look into the zone I can get myself involved. Basically, there are two ways of you getting involved. You can sell after the market close below the low price over here, and for your stop loss you have to place like above this trend line, or to some of you, you want to place above this higher price, X number of pips above. So what's my take? I would prefer for the market to retrace into this zone, either touching of the trend line over here or this area when it doesn't close above the price. So this is the zone I'm looking at to look for a shorting opportunity. Where's my stop loss? Okay, I place my stop loss 23 pips above the high price, okay, which will put me at 149.59 as my stop loss. Entry price will be at 14930. My target one goes all the way to the recent support level that we are seeing over here. Market might even just dive down. If of course you have a trade plan with that, you can do your planning for the trade and look at where's your stop loss. Alright, that's very important, to place your stop loss at a price that when the market totally reverse against you, then yeah, at the price that when market touches that price, the entire analysis is off. Alright, so when the market come back up to this magenta color zone, I'm looking for this combination over here. The last bullish candle, indecision candle, and of course the next candle cover at least 60% of the candle body, the white color candle body to appear here. It might not look exactly the same, okay, but the idea is there. Alright, so it can look something like this as well. Alright, so that's my target 1. My target 2 will go all the way to 14713. Sorry, 14827. Okay, that's my target 2. If you look left, there's structure over here, there's structure over here. That's my target 2. And of course, my final take profit level will be at 14713. Okay, as you can see, it's slightly below the trend line. So of course, traders, if you like to exit once the market touch trend line, it's pretty fine. Alright, my take is, let's say today the trade is being activated, it will take around 2 days or so to hit your final take profit level. That's my rough estimation. And of course, that's all I have for you today for trade ideas. And till then, always remember to plan your trade and trade your plan. Click the subscribe button if you like content like this. Once in a while, I will share out free content to all viewers out there who are not my subscriber yet, to have a glimpse of what is going on in our own trade ideas group itself. And of course, I wish all of you many pips in returns, and I'll see you on the next video.